Welcome to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, immediately we move into the Fear and Greed Index, guys. We do see that we're currently at neutral with Bitcoin here. And yesterday we were at neutral as well at 50. And last week we were actually at greed at 58. And last month at fear around 45. But right now we're neutral at 53. And if we look at the sentiment chart here, we do see, wow, look at that. Just support and resistance even on the market sentiment for Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. It's crazy. We came right back down to that 48. And if you do see here, the previous pivot high in August 2022 was essentially 47. So 47, 48, tomatoes, you know, is right there, guys. Wow, we've had a bounce from that support now. So we're going to see if we're going to take this previous pivot high at around 61. We have to wait and see. If price gets bullish in the next couple of weeks, then we might see that happen. Now you guys know the pivot high level that we're watching. You guys know the pivot low that we're watching, and we'll see what Bitcoin decides to do in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. But with regards to Bitcoin's actual price, we see that we're just a hair under $23,000, guys. Wow, it reached it today with this massive pump for Bitcoin with this green bullish positive candle, guys. Wow, we hit that 23K mark once again. Bitcoin acting strong in the last couple of days, for consecutive days, basically, you know, rebounding in a strong manner from that key support of $21,510, guys. Wow, it's beautiful. Now we're currently above the what was previous resistance of $22,675 with this upswing move here. You know, if we close above, again, we might peek through, close above, then continue on with the uptrend. Then, you know, that 25 let's see here, $125,171 level would be that next resistance to keep in mind for Bitcoin. But the candle hasn't closed yet. We have to wait and see if it closes above the resistance and confirms that support first. So it's going to take a couple of candles, essentially a couple of days, before we can confirm this upswing, but it'll happen soon. In just 2 or 3 days we'll have a better idea. So by our next episode we shall see what happens with Bitcoin's current price. But regardless of that, showing strength, just momentum towards the upside after coming right back down to revisit the support right here. Just clean TA, clean support and resistance. You guys it can't get any better than this, guys. With regards to the weekly chart, we do see here that we had a weekly death cross here. Basically the 500 week and the 200 week, when you see that they cross down, the green is the 50 week and the red is the 200 week. So again, we're below the 200 week, which overall is bearish. I believe that once we get above that key level and hold it as support, I believe a full-blown bull market would be here, guys. So stay tuned. But right now, the weekly candle strong, green, bullish, positive, pumping through and piercing that resistance again of that 22.6, 22.7, basically $22,700 level. Right now, we're above it. We're piercing through. So we have to wait and see. I mean, you know, it's the beginning of the week, middle of the week, so we'll see by the end of the week if it holds true. The candle hasn't ended, and then again, we're watching that $25,000 level, a lot of resistance here. So if Bitcoin pierces through, then I believe that's the beginnings of a full-blown bull market. If we hold below, then, you know, we're still trying to get above that resistance, you know, that's been key for Bitcoin around that 25K area, which was this pivot high as well. And then we have the moving averages up here as well. So we'll see. Right now, Bitcoin back-to-back weeks retracement, just a pullback, what it seems. You know, we'll see if there'll be continuation in this uptrend, you know, for the next couple of weeks. We'll definitely be here to analyze that for you guys. And then Bitcoin dominance again, Bitcoin gaining that dominance over altcoins. Same thing, we had that retracement, that pullback, and now it seems that it's regaining that momentum towards the upside. You know, the key resistance will continue to be that 44% level, but if it pierces that, then, you know, the next one is about that 48% level towards the upside. So right now, Bitcoin seems that is gaining dominance over altcoins, you know, for the past couple of days. Let's see if there's continuation, you know, from here on out. The next couple of days and the next couple of weeks will definitely keep you guys informed. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys, and the like button helps the algorithm, you know, for other people to find our informative and educational channel. And also, guys, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. Thank you so much, guys. And also don't forget free educational videos just a click away. Link is in the description down below. Get a pen, a pencil and a piece of paper, you have educational presentations for you guys right here for free. It can't get any better than that. So moving on now towards Bitcoin's performance for the past 7 days, just up 0.20%. So not a big move, but the big move happened in the last 24 hours, up essentially 4%, in that time frame. That's a considerable move, as we saw on the charts as well. For the past hour, just up 0.74%, but seeing a lot of green near that 23K area price mark. And if we move to the volume, not a lot of volume at around $25 billion. So it's down 4.36% in the last 24 hours, but the market cap, we see it's up 4% at around 442, almost 450 billion dollars, guys. So overall, Bitcoin's at around 23K. It's a healthy green market for the day in the last 24 hours, and you can't ask too much other than that, guys. So again, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, to subscribe. We have our website link in the description down below. Great tools and resources for your investment journey, guys. I want to thank you so much for your time, for your attention, and for your support, and I hope you guys have a good one.